Hey fellow explorers, it's Chris from TDR Explorer, and today I'm going to give you a tour of our room here at the Hilton Tokyo Bay, which is an official hotel here at Tokyo Disney Resort. Just inside the door, you're going to find the first of many closets. So first here, right by the door, this is extra blankets and stuff inside here. And then we have the safe. And there's instructions in there on how to use it. And there's instructions in English, which is really good. Awesome. And down here, this is a iron. And then we got some pajamas here. And then the area to put your shoes and stuff. Then right beside it is the bigger closet. Got your ironing board there, and then a bunch of room slippers, which is good. Bag for laundry, hangers, and then more extra blankets up top here. All right, and here is the bathroom. A lot of counter space, which is really nice. So here, nice hair dryer, some hand towels, and we got some nice facial soap. Glasses, and we got some amenities. Comb, toothbrush, toothpaste, shower cap. And if you want to make a phone call, no, I'm just kidding. That's called the front desk. Down here we have the toilet. And this is a Japanese toilet, so there's going to be a bidet function, which you're going to find right here, which is nice. And the best thing about this, there's English on it, so you don't have to guess what things are doing. So we got the stop button, and this is the spray for your behind, and this button will make the spray softer. And then this is the bidet. This is for you ladies out there. So if you're a guy, you don't want to press this. Otherwise, you're going to be in for quite the surprise. And this is to move the nozzle. This is to move forward and move it back. And then also the water pressure here. Up here with the shower, we have the shampoo, conditioner, and your body soap, body wash. And nothing too surprising here, just the shower head. Just outside the bathroom, we have the little bar here. You got your cups, your mugs, and a nice kettle. Boil your water for your tea here. There's tea, green tea here, and ice bucket, glasses. And then down here is the little mini fridge. So if you buy anything from downstairs or just want to keep stuff cold, you can put them in here, which is awesome. There's no complimentary water, unfortunately, so you will have to go downstairs and buy some bottled water. Here's the main area. We got a king size bed here. You can probably hear from the echo, there's a lot of space here. Right here. A lot of space for your luggage and stuff like that. And over here, more space. Put all your stuff. We have the TV over here. Good thing about this, everything is in English. So they have the remote down here. They have all the instructions in English here, so pretty straightforward. And over here with the bed, there is an outlet here to plug in everything. So if you have a two-prong adapter or plug, and especially the iPhone ones, those will plug in just fine here. And we got some reading lights here. And then this is the room lights. Now illuminate the top here. On the other side of the bed, we have another console that controls all the lights. And you can see there are two outlets, which is really good. And then on the side, there's even another one. So there's tons of outlets for everything. The king size bed is nice and it's firm. It's not too firm though, it's quite nice. I much prefer a firm bed, and most beds in Japan are rather firm. Over on the one wall, we have the controls here for the air conditioner. And again, everything is in English, so there's no guesswork involved here, which is really nice. You can turn up and down, low, high, auto, off. And you can change it between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Over by the window, we have a table and 2 chairs. A lot of room here for your laptop and things like that. And then over here, we have another large area for working and all that kind of stuff. And we have the in-room delivery and takeout that you can order from. So there's a whole bunch of stuff on here. Over by the window here, we have some sliding doors actually. Very Japanese style. So you can slide to, get privacy and stuff like that. It's very nice. And this is instead of curtains. From our window, we have a park view, so we can see both Disneyland. Over on the left here, you can see the Disneyland Hotel and Space Mountain and Cinderella's Castle. And soon, in a few years' time, there's going to be the Beauty and the Beast attraction there. You can see the construction. And that's the monorail station that you'll take to get to the parks. It's super close, as you can see. It's like a 2-minute walk. And then over there you can see the Sheraton Hotel. All right, fellow explorers, thank you so much for joining me as I gave you a tour of our room here at the Hilton Tokyo Bay. If you want to learn more, make sure you visit our website, tdrexplorer.com, and don't forget to subscribe to us here on YouTube.